you another journal that I've made, and this is just a vintage themed journal with lots of different ephemera. It has it measures 8¼ by 4½. It's a traveller's notebook size. I've decorated the cover just like this, done some layering, used this image, sewn it onto some coffee dyed paper, popped the butterfly there with some bling. There is some cheesecloth, some crocheted trim, some bling, a little crocheted flower with a centre, like a pearl centre there. There is crocheted trim on the edges of some of the pages. That is the back, and it's been stitched onto some white cardstock, so it's nice and thick. Let me see if I can open this. I did actually start this way back last week, but I've been away and I just got back last night, so getting around to finishing it today. The main pages are from Tsunami Rose. I've also used digitals from the old design shop, ARTYmaze, and if there's anything else I will mention that as I go through. So like I said, this is Charming Fragments. I don't know, I think it's the first one. Yeah, it's not the second one, it's the first one. So we've got a Rita Donnelly flip here with a paper doily and a ticket and a butterfly with some eyelash trim. There's some stenciling. The papers are very shimmery, and we have a little tag here. I can't remember who that's from, whether it's Christie Art Designs or Cameo Shop. So like I said, can't remember. A stamped tag, some stenciling. It's been coffee dyed and then sprayed up, so it's nice and shimmery. This is from Tsunami Rose, and is the postcard. This piece of ephemera, and this is a large tag which is made using ARTYmaze's collage kit, and this is the second kit. So there's two, I believe. So you've obviously got the first one and then the second one, so this is the second one. And I've done a few tags throughout using that. There is a vintage book page. This is from the old design shop. This is from ARTYmaze, and I just made like a full envelope so that you've got journaling space, or you could make pockets, you could do all sorts of different things with that. And that just pops on there, and a tag. Again, that is just shimmered up, stenciled and stamped. Got a bit of a cold, or it's allergies, it's one of the two. I'm not sure if that's picking that up, but that is so shimmery. It's like a gold shimmer. It's very pretty. Crocheted trim. This is from Tsunami Rose. Here we have a Terri Woods pocket. It's all linked. That will all be linked below, because I'm constantly being asked about these pockets and how to find Terri. So I've got it permanently in the description box so that you can go find out. And also Clemmy, who is Clemmy Creations, because she does some really pretty folds as well, and journals. Both ladies do amazing journals. That's just some ephemera. Here we have another tag that doesn't want to go in. Piece of ephemera, and this is one of ARTYmaze's sheets, and I just basically cut it in half and just folded it up just for some writing space. Got a paper bag that's been coffee dyed and it's all shimmery. A doily, some edge punching, some more stenciling, some more digital paper from Tsunami Rose. Here we have, this is another one of ARTYmaze's collage pages, collage 2 kit, and I just folded that to make it into like a tri-fold tag, and it's so pretty. I only obviously just downloaded this today, so I wanted to see what it looked like. I'll probably do a journal with that. Again, this is some scrap pieces from the collage collection. and I've just made it into like a little full envelope like that, and that just paper clips on there as well. Small edge punching, another vintage book page, I think it's a dictionary page or a definition page. This is from the Old Design Shop. Some more crocheted trim, and that is so shimmery. This page actually had a little bit of an outline of a large doily on there, and it's quite heavily coffee dyed and shimmery and stenciled. Another page from ARTYmaze's collage, and that's how it looks, so you can get a good idea of what you get, and obviously the possibilities are endless with these collage sheets. You can do so much with them, and ARTYmaze has got lots of lots of her tutorials on, you know, how she works with them and what she does. This is just another little fold out that just pops on there. Yeah, I've got so many videos to catch up with, so I was planning on having a really early night tonight, and it's now nearly 11 o'clock. So when I go to bed I will be watching lots of videos. Doily paper bag. This is another Terri Woods inspired fold out. So that folds out like completely. It's an A4 sheet of paper, and obviously it becomes a pocket, a double pocket. This is another tag from ARTYmaze's collage kit, and I just what I done with these tags, I just cut the pieces that I wanted to make tags with and sewed it onto some doubled over coffee dyed paper. And we have some ephemera. It's from Tsunami Rose, and so is that. Another tag, a little journaling card, and then that's the other piece of the piece of paper that I just cut in half and just made a little fold with it, so you can journal on that, or you could turn it into something else. This will be listed in my shop. And we've got a doily ticket and a butterfly here. Lots of writing space. This is just a little flip out, it's just been stenciled. And we have, that was another piece, so I think I used a bit to make a tag. So I just made that into just a double tag that you can write on. All the papers are printed, they're all laser printed, so if you wanted to restain them and make them a little bit more grungier, you can actually coffee dye these as well, and it won't run. So that is another piece, isn't that pretty? Another little kind of full envelope journaling space, so that just pops in there. We have a little flip there, which is the vintage book page, some edge punching, and then we just have another Rita Donnelly flip pocket here with another tag from ARTYmaze and a piece of random bit of cotton. So I made that tag. We have this piece of ephemera. We have this journal card here. A handmade stamp tag. A little postcard from Tsunami Rose. Another little tag there, and then another double journaling card that's all been coffee dyed, and obviously that flips up. That paper's caught there, that flips up. And that is the back. So that's the journal. There's lots in here, lots of potential writing space, and like I said, the links will be below. And it will be listed in my shop. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.